Okay. I have not looked at the day yet. I have everything loaded up. 8. Okay, 7:25. Start it. I have not looked at anything yet, so let's pause it, take a look at what happened. So we did fall for the rest of the day. Okay. Did we? What? 1 p.m. Yeah, so we did fall for the rest of the day. Okay. Yeah, that was the initial. That was the fall that I wanted to short, but stopped because I asked myself, why am I shorting? But this actually makes sense. Slapped off of the highs at 360. Went all the way to 360. Just saying. This is why I wanted to short. This is where I want to short it right here. But we went up, hit 360, and eventually came back down later in the afternoon. All the way up until the close. It was down, consolidated throughout the night. Wait. Consolidated through the PM session, went up. Okay, so I think, I'm not sure what the bias is today, looking at the daily chart. Excuse me. I'm not sure what the bias is looking at the daily chart. I'll be honest. We could see it fall down here. Maybe we just pop above and hit up here 18,500. Maybe 400. Maybe we just go sideways the whole day. We're going to see what ends up happening here. But 7:30 is fast approaching, and that is going to show us what we're going to do for the rest of the day. I have a feeling that we're going to go sideways really for the rest of the day. We might go up here and then just bounce around, maybe make a new low, maybe make a new high, and then come back. We're going to find out what's going to happen here today, but overall I think it's going to be a sideways day based on this candle, but we very much could see a green day. I think if it's not going to be sideways, it's going to be green. That's my idea. I very much doubt that we're going to get another a red day here, but we will see. It actually could be. I don't know. I think we're going to go green. I'm going to stick to the green bias. If it's not green, it's going to go sideways. So let's go ahead and start off. $7:30. Let's go to the 2-minute chart. 5 minutes over here. ES. Doing exactly what NASDAQ is doing. It's good. For once, they're finally going together. Yesterday was terrible. I don't know why we were so against each other yesterday. We swept the highs, though. I really wanted to see that high swept, and we did it. 360. Man. 15-minute chart. We did not make a new high off of yesterday's PM session. Up there 2 p.m. 1 p.m. we made a high at 360. We did not break above it this morning. We came back down. We hit the volume imbalance from yesterday's close. We saw here, or the open, the volume imbalance. We're coming back down. We came back down into it. That was OTE right here. OTE was right there. But we'll see. Got to get a closure above 830. This is going to be a swing low to do it. Close above this swing low, and we will be fine for a long into hopefully up here. I'm going to keep it small today. Small trades. We do have news. Unemployment rates could get some big movements today. Holy cow. Tell you what. Where is that? It was down here. Oh, wow. We completely smacked underneath that. Oh, wow. This is interesting. So we closed above. Wow, this 1 hour chart is going crazy. This is 2 minutes worth of damage right here. 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes. 2 minute candle. And we are up. How many points is that? From 270. That's around 90 points. 80 points. We're up. That's incredible. And we're still going. Wow. Failure to close above yesterday's highs at 2 p.m. 1 p.m. 3 p.m. What was that? A.m. That's A.M. Okay. Yesterday at 1 p.m. that high is at around 350 closure. Yesterday at 2 p.m. or really today at 2 p.m. closure at 340. 20-point difference in closures. And right now, this giant movement up, we went from 360 and we're back down to 320. So we're making lower highs. You can see on the 5-minute chart, lower and lower. ES is doing the same thing. Exact same thing. That's what I wanted yesterday. I just wanted ES and NASDAQ to follow through together, and it didn't. That's all I wanted yesterday. Just go together. Move together. No SMT yesterday. Why are you placing trades without SMT? Good question. It's a rookie mistake. Stupid mistake I should have made yesterday. Was placing trades without confirmation from ES. Sugars in one of these. 0. Wow. Do you think it's a good thing that an energy drink has a label saying that only intended for persons 18 years or older? Does that concern you? That concerns me. Because what in here? Why do you have to have consent to drink an energy drink? Why do you have to have legal consent to drink an energy drink? What's in this thing? What's in an energy drink that makes you have to have the ability to consent in order to drink it? What's in here? Huh? Is it the amount of caffeine? You're not old enough? This product may be intended for healthy adults 18 years of age or older. Do not consume if you are sensitive to caffeine. Or in combination of caffeine with stimulants from other sources. That makes sense. Too much caffeine may cause nervousness, irritability, sleeplessness, and occasionally rapid heart rate. Not for use by women who are pregnant, nursing, or trying to become pregnant. Yeah, you know how much women that are, how many women are there out there that are pregnant? They disrespect the hell out of that kid, man. This isn't a political channel, but if you're smoking weed while you're pregnant, you deserve to go straight to hell. Anyway, it's my body. I do whatever I want. Okay. Let's see disclosure above. This is really baffling to me right here. This is baffling to me. I love this song. Yes, ES is going straight up. Did not close above. We're coming down. NASDAQ did not close above. NASDAQ did not close above. ES closed above. No, it didn't. What's going on here? Okay, that makes sense. What's YM doing? Let's look at YM. What's YM doing over here? YM, I'm just not going to look at it anymore. YM just does whatever the hell it wants to do. YM's going straight up. YM never pulled back. ES and NASDAQ both pulled back before it came up. And YM just went straight up anyway. YM can just get off my screen, please. Thank you. ES closed above. Closed above 175, the top. And NASDAQ is struggling. So no SMT on this yet. Yeah, we're coming back down. We might see a closure down to around here, I'd say. So it's around 280. Yeah, around 280, 288, 290. This area looks good. No. It's 306. Here. That would make sense to me. 308. Yeah. Around 310 would make sense. But we already did it. So, doesn't show that on the 15-minute chart. But it would make sense if we see another pullback come down here somewhere in this area. ES closing above. Looks good. NASDAQ still resisting the close. Interesting. Right there is good. I really like this spot right here. What is that? 45 to 25 is 20 points. That's good. Should be around 12 contracts. But we're going straight up. We could get a buy in here at 360. Because we're right at an all-time high right now. Just about all-time high. All-time high is at 380. I think we can get above that. If we close above, we're not closing above. ES is not closing above. NASDAQ is not closing above. Closed above down here. 730 closed above. Fair value gap. I think we should be in. Down here. Okay. I think this right here should have been our entry. 730 closure above, right there. Up we go. Stop loss. Take profit at 380. No, not 380. You can go above that. If we close above, we're good. Close above here. Came back down, retested twice. I'd like to see it move up. I want to see I'm sorry, not YM, ES close above and NASDAQ close above together. Okay, ES is finally above. Is it going to close? Potentially. No, it didn't. The candle's still open. So we'll see. Okay, close, next candle. Is it going to close above? Does not want to close above 78. New candle, it's right there at the top. No, I'm out. This is dumb. It's taking forever, dude. Forever to close above. I'm out until 8:30. I'm out until 8:30. Until 8:30. Where is? Let's put it on a 2-minute chart. Why is the seconds acting like that? You see the seconds? That's really weird. I don't know why it's doing that. We need vertical line. No touching until here. If we closed above 380, we would have been just fine. Same thing with ES. If ES, all I needed to do was close above 178. If we did that, we go up no problem. I think we're going to retest down here though, like I said before, 300, 308. 50-minute wanted to come down here. A 50-minute chart. This is what I was thinking about. Roughly here, or here. These two inversions. I think that's where we're gonna go. 300 on the money. 290. Yeah, 298 looks really good for a long. So roughly here, at the inversion fair value gap. Down here, that makes a lot of sense. I like that. I like that spot. So we're gonna do. What's that area? 290. And let's do, so that's 40. 40 divided by, no, 40 multiplied by 2 is 80. 500 divided by 80 is probably around 4. No, not 4. Around 6. So it should be around 6. So 40 points. Wait a second. Yeah. 500 divided by 80. Around 6.25. So we'll do 6 and we'll have it here at 290. We'll hit a buy and we'll have it here there at 60. Makes sense. I like that. And we'll do sell and we can actually do more because that's 60. So if we'll do 60, wait, 30 points. Yeah, 30 points, $60, 500 divided by 60 is 8. So we can do 2 more. We'll do 8 buy 8, and we'll do sell 8. Nice, okay. Of course, this has to fit what the market's doing. So I want to see it come down to here, around 300, and get that wick to hit down here, my inversion, right there. Everything looks really good right here. I like this. But it has to make sense though. If it doesn't make any sense, then we're just gonna cancel all and forget about it. Stop loss has to weather both. So having it down at 260 makes sense. Everything looks good. Having it at 290, I'm just double checking everything. 290 makes sense, but I would rather have it at around, all right, 297. 297, probably not gonna get down there. 290. We have inversion fair value gap down here, right there, and yeah, that's good. I think we're good here. On a 15-minute chart, you see that we closed above these areas as well. So from here to down here, we closed above. We're going to retest these areas here, sweep it, and then we're going to make our way up again, hopefully, all the way up to 380. Would be cool. I think we're going to see above 380, but we're going to call it. We're going to play it safe because I don't know if this candle's going to go sideways or not. Because if we look at the daily chart, look, we're literally sideways. Doji candle. Like doji candle. So just gonna relax. This is a OTE, I believe, roughly. No, it's not. No. I'm not liking the way it looks. I will let 830 do what 830 wants to do. Close above, come back in and go. That's what we're gonna go with. Closure above these highs. Giant run up. Come back into the fair value gap, and then we're gonna go up. That's what we're gonna look for. Yep. You see these just movement downwards? Didn't close above. I don't like that. Has to close above and then come back down, but this is too low. The 280, 290 level I was looking for was too low. We just about hit it here, 294, but I'm not willing to risk the closure down here. I'm not willing to do that. We need to close above 340, form a fair value gap, and go upwards in order for me to want to do it. I don't see any inversion fair value gaps to get out at up here. Look at the 1 minute chart. We could have gotten out here, quick scalp up here, but this is not a scalping strategy, so we're not going to do that. Another retest at 295. Still does not work for my pattern, so we're not going to trade it. Would have filled me here. this is a good entry for a long, but it has to close above. I'm not liking the setup right now. ES is going up right now. It's gonna close above, looks like. So that is from 60 to that. How many points is that? So we're going 60 to, that's roughly 60 points. So it should be around 8. Yeah, 7, 8. Looks really good for a long. If it closes above here, we should see a fair value gap. We need to see a closure, because ES is going straight up. If we get another stop down here, I'm gonna go for a long. So 30 points, 30, 60, 30, 60, that should be, that's 8, yeah, that's good. 8 is good. I want to see it close above, but it's not doing the same thing because ES is at the highs right now. Previous high, and ES is up here, and Nasdaq is gonna be down here. So I want to see this thing close up, because that's what ES is doing. ES is closing up right now. It just closed above the highs. So I really want to see a closure upwards and then the retest. Nice. So I'm not seeing an opportunity to get in. I'm not seeing a fair value gap anywhere. Any inversions? No. This one here is the only one that makes sense. I don't think we're gonna stop there. I'm sorry, I don't think we're gonna go all the way back down there. Could enter at the break above that breaker block. Here looks like was the open. So we're from 40 to 90, 50, so we should do 6. From here to here. That's 50 points, 50, that's 10. So we do 10. Oh, that was it right there, wasn't it? Right there at 46, damn it. That's good. Give me a retest. Give me a retest. There's fair value gaps on the ES that need to be filled out. So I want to see it come. I want to see it come back down a little bit before it comes back up again. Closure above, maybe. He's sent back lower. ES looks really good right now. Damn it. I missed it. On the 2-minute, ES had a fair value gap that looked really good at 83, and now it's at 87. Oh man. should have got in here. This is a good spot to get in. Should have stick with my pattern over here at 94. Should have stayed there. But it's not my pattern. So I can't really, can I? We're going to come back down and retest this area. Hopefully. I'm playing it so scared right now. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm playing super scared. You gotta loosen up. Loosen up. Trust your strategy, man. You didn't do all this just to be scared. We're all the way up at 400, dude. Damn it. I should have trusted that, man. Should have trusted this. Close above. We just never had the fair value get filled in over here. Maybe in the afternoon. Maybe we'll get it filled in here in the afternoon. 5-minute chart looks good here and on the 2-minute. I'm sorry, 3-minute. ES has a fair value gap there as well. Same place. Maybe later in the afternoon we'll see that. All-time highs today. Nice. Very nice. 1 hour chart looks very good. We swept the lows 6 p.m. yesterday, 7 p.m. After we swept it, we just went straight up. Daily bias. I was right again, man. Let's go. Made new highs. Closer above. I wanted to see. I called out 500. I don't know if we're going to hit 500, but I called out 500 in the morning. Holy cow. Talk about stair stepping. And my friend Joseph said something a long time ago. He says, scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money. Literally called it out before it was gonna happen at 94, was it? 91, 92? I have to look back. But it was this inversion fair value gap that I wanted to get into. And I called it on the, where was it? Here, this one here. I wanted to get in this one here. There was two inversion fair value gaps that I wanted to get into. This one was good, but I wanted to shoot for this one, and we got it. Hit it right there, and then, dude, that's like from 295. It's just insane to where it's at now. 5-minute chart. I want to see it come down to here, 376 roughly. If it'll go down there. That looks good up here too. So 70 to here, 70 is 140, around 3 contracts. So 70 to around 10-ish. So 70, 140. 500. Yeah, 3 contracts, 3.5. Because we might see this area get filled out too. One's here as well. This one looks very good. I like this one a lot. If we do not get filled here, we'll give it up. So it's 310. It's fine. 310. It's 30. 30, 60. Actually, let's see this up here. I don't think we're gonna fall down, 70 points. I don't think we're gonna do that. Stupid. I need to get my head straight, bro. I said bro again. Stop saying bro. Oh, I like that. Okay. What does 1 minute look like? Looks okay up here. ES already did it. ES already pulled back. We might just see a push up above. Closer above this, I think I might be in. So that's 40. Bought. And then that's 30, 30, 60. 60 is 9. We can do 9 contracts here. We're going to do sell here. Should be 9 contracts, should be good. So yeah, that makes sense. The math makes sense. Closure above, another pullback here. That'd be good. If we do that, this is if we're still gonna keep pushing up. I'll risk 500 for that. And I'll ride it up until it doesn't look good anymore. The 5-minute chart doesn't look so good. Yeah, it doesn't look so good right now. Yeah. Oh, I'm still in. So it's good right here. Wait a second. Yeah, I think we're good here. We're good here. I think 40. Let's put the stop loss down here. 40, 25, 24 points. It's 50. It's 10. Yeah, I'm out. Holy shit. We're going down this to 70 like I wanted. Yeah, we are. We just did. We just hit 70, damn it. 75, but still. Holy cow, that was a nice touch. So that was a limit that I wanted before, and that is the 70 points, 143. Could come down and hit this fair value gap. But we're gonna see. ES made a double top and it's falling down, looks like. It's gonna go. Okay, looks good. Stop loss has to weather that, and it does. 3 contracts is good. Stop loss is 400. Yeah, everything's good. Closure above these highs would be another entry. Closure above here. ES and Nasdaq has to close above though. ES is not too far behind. ES did exactly what I wanted it to on the 15-minute chart for the pullback buy over here. Down here would be good. I balance this out and hopefully we'll make our way back up. And we have another fair value gap down towards the bottom of that breaker at 72 on ES. We should be all right. This fair value gap is the same one what's on ES, and this one's the same one that's on ES as well on that 15-minute. We should be all right. Daily chart looks good. We should be all right. 1 hour, 15-minute looks good. It was down at the breaker. We should be fine. Closure above this, I'll buy some more. Closure above. CS close above that as well. ES is right where I want it to be. It's gonna close above that. Closure above ES. No. If we close above that 390, well, we're gonna be good. But I need ES to follow it on the closure. It closed above. Nice. We need this stock to close above here, and we're gonna buy at market, set the stop loss down here. 76, that's roughly 25 points. 25 feet, that's 10. We could do 7 more if we close above here. Ooh, it came back down. ES came back down. Yeah, we're coming down hard on ES too. If we close below, I'm out. Yeah, I'm done. Shit, dude. Just don't want to close above, man. Get another retest here in the afternoon. Where's this one? Where's the 15-minute chart? Yeah, there it is. At 300. Want to be done for the day. That is 30 points. 30 points is 60. That's around 9. That's a long, right? Right here? I think so. And do from here down to here is 50 points. 50 is 10. Oh wow, we are just falling. How we close below. Holy cow. We're just falling down like crazy. That not closing above here should have just told me to get out. Right there. Oh my goodness. Can't believe we're falling down this hard. 1 hour chart looks terrible. We're sweeping down 250 though. I think in the long term we're still on an uptrend. Closure above here, we'll get in for a long. That's 20. 60 points. 60 is 120. 120, that's around 4. Gotta close above here though. I should have known better, man, because ES didn't close above, NASDAQ didn't close above. We should have just exited here. Exited here. But I didn't. Holy cow. We swept these lows down here. Are we going down here? No way. we go that far, I think we have a trade here in the afternoon. For a long, we'll see. I think we do have a trade here in the afternoon. If we go down here, I don't know what to think. What does the daily chart look like? Oh, wow. Big doji on the day. Close below that, looks like. We gotta close above here for a long, but I think we're gonna come down here. That's interesting. What is that? 30 points. Take 10 points real quick. Yeah, that should be fine. Sweat below. Let me see. Keep getting these jump candles. I don't like that. Close below. Hopefully we'll see that down there. There we go. Nice. Close below here. This breaker block close below. Quick scalp. I know scalping's not my strategy, but breaker blocks are. Yeah, close below. That's a short. Now we did a very big move down here. So close below this, we did a very big move. So at any point we can close above this high or this high, close above this fair value gap. We're gonna start seeing a movement upwards. But it depends on what's gonna happen here in the next like hour. Very big move downwards. I would not be surprised if we had a very big move upwards, close above this, and keep going up. That would indeed constitute a long. Look at that 5 minute looking crazy. 1 hour does not look any better. 15 minutes looks terrible. Very short. So does ES on the 2 minute chart looks terrible. Absolutely red. 15 minute chart on ES looks like a short as well. I'm sorry, it's very red all the way down there. Huge movement down. Hopefully we're gonna see a huge movement up. Close above this, close above this. Fair value gap in between, come back, retest, and upwards. And we're going to target maybe this up here. I don't want to go for that. We're gonna go for this. Maybe here. This looks good. That fair value gap, that inversion fair value gap looks good right there. This is going to be our take profit area right there. Fair value gap closure above. We see a fair value gap closure above. We're gonna get in down here. There it is. Give it a second, let it do its thing. Okay, I think that's it. And that is, it has to close above though. I'm not gonna place a trade until it closes above. I'm just saying this is what it looks like right now. So on 5 minute chart, we're seeing the fair value gaps form. But we have to see it close above. So we did see this here. That is 168, around 170. Yeah, around 170 to, that's around 25 points. So if 25 points is multiplied by 2 is 10. So we'll do 10. But it has to close above. I'm not going to place it if it doesn't close above. It has to close above these highs here. Why does it do that? Come on. I don't care if it gets in here and then keeps going. I don't care. I want it to go and close above. If it closes above here, it's now a breaker block, but it has to close above these levels here. Close above these two. There you go. What's ES doing? ES is doing around the same. Get a close above at 225, 230. Yes, no? Did not expect this to happen. Not at all. That's all right. Came down to that fair value gap. It's cool. See, I would have been stopped out right now. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's another short right there. You see that? Looks good. You can put a short order here, and you put a 40 points. That's 80. You can do 6 shares from here to here. You can target some of the low over that. I don't know, but relative equal lows. We should see this. Yeah, we should see this go up now. We should definitely see this go up now. Relative equal lows. Big fair value gaps coming. Here we go. 2-minute chart. I want this green bar to close above here at 230. I want to see this thing go above. Let's see it. Gotta close above the 220 here. Taking a while. ES doesn't even want to do it. Wow. They don't want to close above. It's really interesting. ES closed below. ES closed below. And NASDAQ made equal lows. If NASDAQ and ES both made equal lows, we definitely going up, but we are not because they did not. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 15 minute, we need above. It's the same level. It's up here. Oh no, here, 225 on all time frames has to close above 225. 15 minute, except for 1 hour. 5 minute, 15 minute, 2 minute. Even on NASDAQ, I'm sorry, ES, 15 minute and 5 minute has to close above this level in order for it to go up. And it refuses. Holy cow. I really want to take this long after lunchtime. At lunch, I really want to take this long up here. We got to close above. I think we're going to do it. We're seeing the reversal build up now. Seeing the 5 minute chart start to go up. Closure above 225 is all I need. Wow, we're still just falling. Holy cow, that's crazy. Gonna get 4 touches down there at 160. Wow. New low. That's crazy, man. Wow. Close below all that. One-hour chart looks good for a short. Might sweep all the way down here on the 5th. They're at 850. 850 or we actually might go down to 18,027. That makes sense for us to go down there. We got an area down there at 18,000. 18,050. Got an area down here. Makes sense as to if we go down there, it would make sense as to why we would. So we're gonna do 211. We're gonna make our stop loss probably up here at 25, probably 30 up here. 211, 20, 40. That's 20, just about. No, it's 13. Sorry, 12. What's it? 11 to 20. We'll do 11 to 30. 11 to 30. 11 to 30 is 20. 20 is 4. It's 40. 500 divided by 40 should be around 12. Yeah, 12 and a half. Okay. Do 12. Let's go up. Let's do it. Let's bring it down a little bit. I'm gonna do it here. I mean, I had every chance to get in here, you know what I mean? Closure below. I said we get in 8. I said we get in 8 and we just sell at the ask. That's roughly 150 to, that's 20 points. No, that's a whole lot more. Holy cow. So that's 8. Do that, buy 8, and our take profit is going to be the inversion fair value gap at the open of the candle at 28. At 0, 28. Let's do 40. Let's play a little bit safe here, okay? So I want to see us fall all the way down until there, and that is going to be 40 points. What is that? That's too much. 632. I think we fine there. Let's do it just 500. I did too many contracts, I think. 72. Let's do 500. I think it should be fine there. If it's not, we'll just sell 2. Closing below still, which is good. I think I sell 2 here. Okay, we're at 6 now. And we're gonna set 6 up here. Buy 6. I want to see it there. Still not enough. We need to sell another one. What happened? Why is it paused? Keep going. Okay, we're at 5 now. Let's do 5. Let's put it up here. We should be good. That's good. I'm comfortable with that. I like that. Okay. Okay, why are we so bullish all of a sudden? Why are we bullish all of a sudden? Okay, there we go. Should not close above this breaker block. If it does, we're going green. What's ES doing? ES is making a new high. Fucking. Dude. So, like, they're just going against each other all the time, man. Why are they going against each other so often? Because it's unreadable. Because now ES is closing above, but it wasn't doing that the entire time. Neither was NASDAQ. Just unreadable chart. Now we're closing above. So close above 230, and we'll be good for a long. We closed above all this. What's 5 minutes say? 5 minutes says we closed above the majority of that. So we should see it move upwards now. Or should. I thought we were gonna see 28. To see a closure above at ES, there was a fair value gap there. That is 70 to 40, that's 30, 60, that's 9, 8 contracts. And we'll see. Let's see if it closes above or not. It closes above 160. 160 and 225 are the same level on NASDAQ and ES. Closure above, closure above. I think we go long. We have to see this close above 195. I think we're going to do it. ES looks good for a long right now. We're closing above a lot right now. So right there, we're approaching 160. Gotta see a closure above here. They're moving together. This, both of them did this. SMT here. Got another retest on the fair value gap on ES2. This is so weird, man. It's just doing like whatever. Closing below as well. How interesting. Closure below, that is 90, 80 points. 80 is around 4 contracts. So we'll see it. Hopefully we'll see a fair value gap in here. If we see one here, we'll definitely gonna take the short. ES and NASDAQ both have a fair value gap here. So 130, 60, 60 times 2 is 120, that's 4. Okay, we're good. There's the closure above this, closure below that. You know, I'm going back to my old ways, aren't I? I'm going back to my old ways. I need to stop. I need to stop. What I'm doing is I'm going back to scalping. That's not what my strategy is. My psychology is slipping up. Okay. Once a daily bias is established by the candles showing you that it is, you gotta stop. 15-minute is on a downtrend. So was the 1 hour. So was 5-minute. It's been on a downtrend forever. And I was forcing an uptrend. That's why I lost money. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to find something that's not there. That's why I got my ass handed to me. So it's at 28. That's why I called before. And that's where we're gonna go. Because we're balancing out what happened yesterday at around 3 a.m. Not even, what is that? Yeah, 3 a.m. We're balancing out overnight. closure below there. Buy back around, say here. What's my risk on that? That's fine. I'm late, huh? Yeah. Should have done on the close. This is why we backtest, right? We backtest to learn. Did not close above this. I think we're still gonna go down. Yeah, we had a fair value gap on ES as well, filled out. Really on the closure of this, yeah. Let's do it on the closure. Let's do it on the closure. Cannot close above this. Cannot close above that. Cannot close above that. Close it down there. Where's it at? Got a couple of seconds left. Has to close below that. 30 seconds. I think we're good. Never mind. Holy cow. We cannot close above here. Another couple of seconds. There we go. You gotta be shitting me, dude. Gotta close below. ES is going down as well. ES is going down completely. ES has not closed below this low on ES either though. So we gotta see that. I think if we close below this, I'll get another couple, another two. Gotta close below here. See, these candles are really just annoying to look at. 5-minute chart, we gotta close below this level here. Yeah. And I'll put another two on there. Remember what ICT says? Do not trade from 12 to 1 on EST. That's 11 to 12 CST. So that's 8. Okay. We're going down. Jacob, relax, dude. You're getting so tense up over here, man. I'm getting all kinds of anxiety, you know. So just relax. And no reason as to why you should be this uptight right now. We're good. We're fine. I think I might take them up here. ES closed above as well. Did not close below. So I really want to see this close below next candle. Okay, we closed down there as well. We gotta make this next candle close down here. Hopefully. Man, we are fighting for it, man. There we go. Finally. I'm 10, right? Yeah, 10. What is going on? This is just weird. I cannot wait for this trade to be over. I cannot wait to go to the next day. It is Friday. Move our risk down to here. I think we'll be good. Yes. I tell you what, how much can we get out of this? I think we can get more than that. Yeah, I'm gonna practice this, okay? I am not going to sell until it proves itself that it's not gonna go back up, because we have to close. We have to make a green bar on the 5 minute in order for me to get out, because I'm gonna pull everything that I can out of this. We could sweep down here at 950. We could sweep 950. So I'm saying that I want to see how much I can get out of this. Currently short 10. Our stop loss should be probably around, I'm not sure. Probably here at 59. Should be up here really. Try this out, because we're going to keep falling lower until we're not going to fall lower anymore. If we close below this area here, we're going to pull the stop loss down here, because ES is just falling straight down too. 15 minute looks so red, because we closed below the 140 that we were looking at before. New strategy being implemented. I'm looking for 950. Honestly. I want to see 950, because we're not closing below, we're not closing above here. We're not certainly not closing above here. So I want to see if we close down below, down to this level, this area. If we close below here, we'll put our stop loss down here, but I don't want to see it close above this. You got 20 seconds. Well, a couple now. That's fine. Might see a pullback here to Up here, yeah, makes sense. Get a retest and then come back down. We should not see it go up very much past this. Probably here. Actually, I don't know. ES wants to go higher to get that fair value gap out. We'll just keep our profit here. Should see it start to fall down again. ES and Nasdaq are going the same direction. Looks good. I want to see it. I want to see it close below here. The next few candles. Close below this level. Close below this spot right here, 27. I want to see it close below this. Five-minute looks good. ES 15-minute looks good. 5-minute looks good. Nice closing below. I want to see 950. I want to see 950. Gotta close below this 20. Close below 20. Cannot close above this. Cannot close above this. I do not want to see it close above this. Gotta close below these levels here. So we close below. Gotta see this come down. Gotta see this come down. If it closes above, I'm out. It's just chilling, I don't know. It's just going sideways. ES is doing the same thing. It's kind of just chilling, going sideways. Doesn't want to close below that fair value gap. I'm done. I'm done. Fuck it. If we get up to like here, I want to see if we can short it. I don't want to see it close above that. Well, I saw 28. Come down to here. We closed above. Oh, we're done. We're done. We have a fair value gap on ES. And if it fills that, for short, we'll be good. It depends on if it closes or not. If it closes above, we'll probably go long. Not gonna be green for the rest of the day. We're gonna close above it. Looks like we might. We closed above this. If we close above that fair value gap, we closed above it. Okay, what's gonna happen next? Okay. Looks good. This would be a good entry right here. 10, that's 60, 60 to 40, 40, 80 is around, let's do 7 here. So we're getting that above there. This is the ideal area to be. Oh, it's here. It's at 70. So let's do 6. Sorry, I've been doing too much Green Day stuff. Yes, has the same fair value gap that I'm trying to get filled in. Let's go down to here. That's 60, 120. Yeah, around 4, 5. Getting that closure above there, nice. Should not see it come up from here. Yeah. I think this is a good spot to buy if it closes above this closure. I think we're good for a long. I think we're good. And we sell. Set our stop loss here. Closure above this. Go up. We're going to see ES has to close above 135. I think we're all right. Cannot close below this. If we do, we're in trouble. Gotta see it go up. ES doesn't want to break above either. One-hour chart looks pretty good on NASDAQ. Daily chart looks like it's just sideways. Well, sideways action. What did I say? Daily chart is red. Daily chart is very red. Just gotta see the closure above here. That fair value gap would have been nice to get a fill in right there. Oh, we wouldn't have got it anyway, but still. If we close above here, we can move our risk down to here. Now we gotta close above. Got 30 seconds left. Nice. Target is probably around 220. Maybe it depends if we're still going up or not. 220 is around the target. Let's buy 5 more at the bid. And set 10. Set 10. I should have done 10. Should have done 8. We should be all right. Yeah, closed above on ES, closed above 15-minute and 5-minute. Currently looking for a movement upwards, probably around 220. I want to get out. Should see it come up. We should be green for the rest of the day. Yeah, ES had a fair value gap right there. Same thing on NASDAQ. They're moving together nicely now. Okay, nice. Good. We just have to see a movement upwards and close above this red candle right there. Close above this, will be all right. Moving up on ES. Got to close up there. Nice. Once we get this closed candle up here, we can move our stop loss down to here. Break even. Wait, no. If we close above, we make another pullback. After that, another pullback, we'll put it down here. I think that's how it works. Inversion fair value gap is a good sell right here. It's not bad here, not bad. Not bad of a sell here on ES and NASDAQ. Still moving up, looks like. I'm gonna sell here. I'm gonna sell here because the inversion fair value gap is like one of the best places to sell, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I mean, we came back $209. Good. Overall, decent day. I really wish I understood the market more so I could trade this better. Looking back on what I should have done. Maybe this one would have been a good place to sell, but regardless, seeing this, let's go ahead and get rid of. There we go. Okay. How do I still see trade lines? Okay, we go. Looking at this. We broke above. We're gonna come back down, then it closed below. Whenever I traded this, I should have sold once this happened. Once this happened, right, traded back up until this fair value gap. I don't think we got the fill anyway, but we traded back up. Did not close above, closed below. That's how you know that we're shorting. That's how you know for a fact that we're shorting. Got the movement upwards, closed above, but it closed below. So that this does not mean that we're going up because we closed below. That means we're going down. Starting to go down. On our way down, plus on 1 minute chart, probably looks better for fair value gap. You probably find one better on here. Yeah, so right here looks good. I guess you can put your stop loss up here because up here it's just too close. I put it up here. Put a stop loss there, 415, 372. That's 40, 80. Get 6 shares. Get 6 shares of that. Get your 6 shares, and then write it down because closure down below. I'm starting to understand it more. I was forcing a trade to the upside when I didn't need to. I did not have to do that. I did not have to force a trade to the upside because I was so worried about the upwards movement. We're going up. I have to stop that. The market is showing you right here that we're going down. The market's showing you right here that we're going down. Clear as day that we're going down. There's no reason as to why I should be looking for an uptrend. No reason. Absolutely no reason, no excuse that I should be looking for an uptrend after I got confirmation twice that we're going down. We're going up, closure below this. Closure below all this, automatically terminate the trade, because that should be your stop right there. Close below, we're done. Close below, came back up, close below again. Fair value gap opened up right there. Perfect trade opportunity right there. Even we get filled right there at 380. Set your stop loss up here. Set your stop loss up here. And I guess you could set it here too if you'd like. But I wouldn't do that because it's too close. I would do this one here. It's from 16 to 74. That's roughly 35 points. 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. 17 multiplied by 2 is 140. You can get around 4 to 5 out of that. I would say 3 contracts on the way down. Closure below this, another 3 to 4. Bring your stop loss down to here. Just keep writing it down. Keep writing it down until it doesn't work anymore. See, it never close above that. Never close above that. Never close above that. Never close above that. Never closed above this. After all this movement, still closure below. Closure below. Closure below. Closure below. Got this little movement up here. Little fake move. Still closing below. Closing below so much. We came all the way down here to 12. Came all the way down here, then we started reversing up. This is exactly what ICT looks like. Exactly what this system looks like. Exactly what the system looks like. I should have seen this coming from a mile away. All of this I should have seen coming from a mile away. It's all textbook. It's all textbook. You see the opportunity here. Closure below. Closure above. Sorry. Closure above. You think we're going up. We're not. We're going down. You see this closure below these candles. Closure below. That gives you an opportunity to get in for a short. So okay, cool. We closed below. Let's see what's gonna happen here. We went sideways, sideways, sideways. Never got a fair value gap fill in here, so it wouldn't matter. You got another closure below. Okay, we're definitely going below 100%. Went below. Fair value gap was ordered right here. Fair value gap was there, right in front of your face, right there. Easy money. You got 2 opportunities to get in. Closure above right there. Closure below. Closure above. Sorry. You think it's gonna go up, but it's not. It went straight back down. Relative equal highs. Relative equal highs. Relative equal highs in a downtrend, you're falling down straight down. I talked about this with Shibu yesterday. Relative equal highs in a downtrend or an uptrend, you're going straight up. Okay? This is not relative equal highs. This is a high, then a higher high. High, then a higher high. Came up, closed below. After it closed below, made a little move up here, closed below again. A closure above is like this right here. You see a giant movement up and it closes above. A closure above looks like this as well. After a closure above comes back down and the giant move up again. Closure above here. That's what that looks like. Closure above with big bars. Big bars, closure above, and then goes up. That's what ICT says in like episode 6. Right? He says that in episode 6. Closure above. Big moves. Big moves to the upside. Big moves to the upside. After you see those big candles go up and take that out, that's how you know you're in the green. This is an order block right here. Put your stop loss, I guess, down here, right? Closure above, get in right there. After it closes above, get in at the closure. Put your stop loss down there and write it up. Easy money, textbook. I should have seen this coming, but I didn't because I had a bias, right? This is what's wrong with traders, because they think after they set a bias, oh, I'm smart, I know what I'm talking about. It should be super easy for us to go up, and I should make a lot of money today. No. I said earlier this morning, it's 11 o'clock. I started this at around 8:30. At 8:30 in the morning, I told myself that I am, it feels good whenever you know what you're talking about and the market goes exactly where you want it to. And I thought I knew what I was talking about. I thought that I understood exactly what I needed to understand, and I know everything. I'm perfect. Look at my trades. Look how good I'm doing. I'm great. And look what happened. I lost a whole bunch of money on the way down. Thank the Lord Jesus that I was able to come out on a profit today, but that's not the point. The point is that I should have seen this coming, and that's the damage that can happen to somebody if they have a bias and they stick to it, and it's incorrect after it's shown you many times that your predictions are incorrect. It's not going to happen. Of course, there has to be a closure above this, right? I wouldn't be surprised if there would be, right, to get into here, but we never got into that, but that doesn't even matter. Looks fantastic. Textbook. Easy money. The easiest of money you could ever make. Excuse me. After it comes down here. Excuse me, I keep burping. After it comes down here, put your stop loss right above that. Put your stop loss right above here. Move it down. Move your stop loss down right there. Add more to your position. Keep sizing in until it doesn't work anymore, until it doesn't pay off anymore. Where it doesn't pay off, you might get a little shooken up over here. You might get a little shooken up because it went 80 points against you. 80 points against you from the low down here all the way up. This is the thing. Never closed above either of these levels. Never closed above. Close below. Close below. Close below. Close below. Closed above, but it's weak. Super weak. Close below here. After close below there, dropped completely. Relative equal highs. What I said earlier, relative equal highs. Relative equal highs on the way down drops a lot. What happened? Happened up here, happened down here as well. Sorry. Relative equal highs in a downtrend drops completely. Dropped completely. Came back up, never closed above. Never closed above that. Closed below this again. Closed below again. Relative equal lows. Relative equal lows. This time we closed above, came back down, did not close below. Now we're in an uptrend. You see the fair value gap start to develop. You don't see an entry. You don't see an entry opportunity. So what you do, where's your order block? It's right here. Closed above that. Closed above that. What I do, I add it in right there. I add it in. Put my stop loss down here. Whichever level makes you feel comfortable. I would probably go down here. Put your stop loss up there. Put your order up here at the order block. Broke above. Broke above. 2 more candles. Broke in. Close. Get in. You're in. You see this opportunity here, broke up here. Broke up here. You got another opportunity here, fair value gap. Get in, or you can add in here, or whenever you go up here, you see this level right there, get taken out. Huge candles huge candles breaking above that. Add in more orders. Add in more orders. Bang, look at that, another opportunity right there to add more orders in. Add more orders in. Keep it going. You're in an uptrend, Jacob. You're so close, dude. You're so close to keep going. You're so close. You're just so close. Keep going. You're right there at the finish line. You're so close to understanding this. Next trading day, the next week is going to be the best week I've had all month. Next week, I swear, next week is going to be the week that I completely destroy the stock market. But the only thing that I have to understand, the thing that I have to fix is reading the chart better. And I'm getting so close. I'm getting so close, dude. I'm on the verge of tears right now. I'm so fucking close. I am so close. We're at 305, paid around $100 in commissions. Let's see. Performance Center, 209, around $100 in commissions. 209.80. Let's do a week's recap. 209.80. A week recap. Look at this. 23.28 for the month. $1,400 in a week. $800 in a day last week. Today, had I understood what I understand now, had I had this awakening right now, have I had this at the beginning of the day or before today, I would have destroyed today. Today was like an 800-point move, up and then down and up again. Easy thousands of dollars to be made today. Size in, close above, does not close below, get out. After that happens, get in for along with the opportunities that I talked about. Easy money, back-to-back days making straight cash. We are so close to the finish line. We are so fucking close. Just right there. Next Monday is going to be crazy. That's the end of this. This video is probably 2 hours long. I am so close. So close.